Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to evaluate 201 square using special products of algebraic expression. So this is something that we need to think about. So for these special products of algebraic expression, what are they? It could be one of these following three that I'm going to write it down at the side as a special note. It could be a plus b bracket square. So this one will give me a square plus 2ab plus b square. It could also be a minus b bracket square, which is equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. It could also be a minus b times a plus b, since this one will give me a square minus b square. Okay, so which one could it be? Well, I saw that this number 201, I could use it as such. This is a number square. So now I got this square and this square, right? So now I need to choose an easy number to use for this particular 201. And I'm going to choose, this is intentional, okay? Deliberately, I'm going to rewrite 201 square as 200 plus 1 bracket square. So which of the following do you think Mr. Tam will use eventually? Yes, something plus something square, a plus b bracket square. I am going to use this. Because I'm going to use this, I'm going to hide away this so that it will not distract us from this point onwards of the video. Alright? So from here, I could then do the following. Okay? I will have my 200 as my A, 1 as my B, and because of that, so from here you can then see that I will have my A square. So this is my A and this is my B. So instead of writing A now, I'm going to write as 200 square plus 2 times my A, which is 200, my B, which is my 1, plus 1 square. Okay, it will be good if I just write the bracket down so you can see exactly that I'm replacing or substituting A with 200, B with 1, and it becomes pretty easy. 200 square is 200 times 200. You will get this, you will get 40,000. 2 times 200 is 400 times 1 is 400. 1 times 1 square is 1. So eventually you will get 40,401. With that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.